The discovery of what's inside a black hole. Black holes have long been one of the most intriguing and mysterious objects in the universe. Despite their immense gravitational pull, which prevents even light from escaping, scientists have been unable to directly observe the interior of a black hole. This has led to many theories about the nature and behavior of black holes, but until recently, direct observation has been impossible. However, in April 2019, the Event Horizon Telescope, EHT, released the first direct observation of a black hole located in the center of the galaxy M87. This observation has confirmed several predictions of general relativity and provided strong evidence for the existence of black holes. In this study, we will examine the implications of the discovery of what's inside a black hole and the impact it has on our understanding of the universe. The implications of the discovery of what's inside a black hole and the impact it has on our understanding of the universe. Black holes are regions of space with an incredibly strong gravitational pull. They are so strong that they warp the fabric of spacetime and create a boundary called the event horizon beyond which nothing can escape. Black holes come in different sizes, from small stellar mass black holes to supermassive black holes at the centers of galaxies. According to recent research and observations, scientists estimate that there may be as many as 100 million black holes in the Milky Way galaxy. This is a staggering number, considering that black holes are among the most mysterious and elusive objects in the universe. The presence of so many black holes in the Milky Way is a testament to the immense size and complexity of our galaxy. These black holes range in size from relatively small, stellar black holes, which are formed from the remnants of dead stars, to supermassive black holes, which are thought to reside at the centers of most galaxies and can be millions or billions of times more massive than the Sun. The discovery of such a large number of black holes has important implications for our understanding of the universe and the forces that govern it. For instance, black holes play a crucial role in shaping the structure and evolution of galaxies, and their presence may be linked to the formation of other celestial objects such as stars and planets. Studying black holes also allows us to learn more about gravity, one of the four fundamental forces of nature, and its impact on the universe. Additionally, the discovery of so many black holes provides new opportunities for research and exploration. For example, scientists can use black holes as probes to study the behavior of matter under extreme conditions and to test our current understanding of physics and the laws of nature. The discovery of a large number of black holes in the Milky Way is a significant milestone in our quest to understand the universe. It highlights the vastness and complexity of our galaxy and the importance of continuing to explore and study the cosmos. The observation of a black hole by the EHT was made possible by the use of a global network of telescopes that work together to capture incredibly high-resolution images of black holes. The image showed a bright ring of material that was illuminated by hot plasma being drawn into the black hole, surrounded by a dark central region. This ring was slightly distorted, consistent with the effects of the curved spacetime predicted by Einstein's theory of general relativity. One of the most important predictions of general relativity is the existence of a black hole's event horizon beyond which nothing can escape. The observation of the black hole in M87 confirmed this prediction and showed the effects of the distorted spacetime near the event horizon. The observation of a black hole by the EHT confirms several predictions of general relativity and provides strong evidence for the existence of black holes. It also opens up new avenues of research and a deeper understanding of black holes and their role in shaping the universe. One example of the impact of the discovery of what's inside a black hole is the advancement of our understanding of the behavior of matter in extreme conditions. The hot plasma observed in the ring around the black hole in M87 provides insight into the behavior of matter under the intense gravitational forces near a black hole. This understanding can be applied to other areas of science, including the study of neutron stars and other dense objects. The study of black holes also has implications for our understanding of the universe as a whole. For example, black holes play a role in the process of cosmic expansion and the distribution of matter and energy throughout the universe. By observing the behavior of black holes, scientists can gain a better understanding of these processes and how they shape the cosmos. The discovery of what's inside a black hole is a major milestone in our understanding of the universe and its workings. It confirms several predictions of general relativity and provides strong evidence for the existence of black holes. The observation of a black hole also has implications for other areas of science and our understanding of the universe as a whole. Future work in this field will continue to expand our understanding of black holes and their role in shaping the universe. As technology advances, we can expect to see many more discoveries and advancements in the study of black holes and the forces that govern the universe. For example, the EHT is currently working on improving the resolution of its images and capturing even more detailed observations of black holes. This will provide even greater insights into the behavior and properties of black holes and help us to understand the universe in greater detail. Additionally, there is ongoing research into the potential applications of black holes and the phenomena they create. For example, researchers are investigating the potential of black holes to generate energy through the process of accretion and the release of gravitational energy. These studies could have significant implications for the development of new energy technologies and our ability to harness the power of black holes. In conclusion, the discovery of what's inside a black hole is a major step forward in our understanding of the universe and its workings. It provides new insights into the behavior of matter in extreme conditions and has implications for other areas of science and technology. The future of black hole research is bright, and we can expect to see many more discoveries and advancements in the years to come. Thank you for listening to the groundbreaking discovery of what's inside a black hole. I hope you found it informative and engaging. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And remember, the universe is full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered. Keep exploring and learning, and I'll see you in the next video.